saw like a scene of like a cooking show, and there was like drama without any drama. It's a Turkish cooking show and I don't understand Turkish, so this will be fun. My friend explained to me that it's like couples with their parents, and I think the parents are like the judges and the other couples are like competing with each other. I understood a little bit Turkish, so I understand more than I can like speak because I grew up with Turkish friends. And I'm into the drama. It's not like the usual drama you see on TV, and you will understand what I mean if you watch the video. Oh. First scene, okay? Stop. I didn't see anything fell on her. But maybe I didn't saw it, like, we don't know. Okay, we saw dishes falling on her, but not really on her. But maybe we didn't saw other like scenes where it did fell on her. There's like a full episode. Now we see the full scene. I think the one saying like, girl,
your daughter is not that good at cooking.
How can you talk like this?
It's just a girl.
Like that's the vibes I'm getting. No, the mother are like running to them. No. I think she hurt herself. And now she's fell. I think the one was trying to laugh, but like holding the laugh. I'm really thinking nothing that big happened.
Bismillah. Oh! Çabuk gelin! Biri baksın! Yapma!
But the water was even not even.
The woman was too stunned to speak. Bez yok mu şuralarda? Kız düştü.
Dur bastırma.
She slipped, but not even like that hard. Like the good part on TikTok is there's like subtitles, so I understand what they're saying. And now like the one aunt is like saying,
"Girl, you can even take care of your own mother. How are you gonna take care of us?"
Bro, I was like cooking and she was like drenching me with something and she just fell.
You need to take care of your own mother.
and I think there was like a little bit of water on the floor, but like I said, she didn't even slip that hard. She was like, whoop, and that's it. So she did not pass out like the other one, but there was a little bit drama.
Ne oldu? Elim gitti.
Before I start the next video, and I know maybe it's like an unpopular opinion. I think often like the mothers are a little bit more drama queens than the daughter or like the children in general. Sometimes I feel like they need like also the attention. That's why they making stuff a little bit bigger than they actually are. Don't come at me, it was just my opinion.
That's my opinion!
kadar çok önemsiyorsun?
Önemserim, niye önemsemeyeyim?
Ay.
Burası yemek yarışması ya, mankenlik
Hayatım neye
yarışması
geldin
değil.
sen?
Vallahi Tuğba
Esra and Tuba don't like each other.
fazla çalışanım var.
Senin gibi derken,
İstersen gel bana.
senin gibi derken,
Gel istersen sen dert ediyorsun
senin
ya.
gibi nasıl
Gel
oluyor?
No, they're fighting. Tuba saying
Girl, you laughing? You laughing at me?
they're holding her bag. They're holding her bag. And the girl's like,
Come to me. Bite me. Look, leave me alone. I want to fight here.
like Esra's still talking, so I think Esra's the one who's like doing the fire. I'm Team Tuba.
Bana yoruldum. Ya sen benim Tuğba yapma aşkım. Seni bilen biliyor baksana. Ne oldu? Dur bir saniye.
Now it seems like the mother is passing.
Çiğdem Hanım. Dur çok yaklaşma Çiğdem Hanım.
Not a mother again passing out.
Nişanına hoş geldiniz.
Oh, she's getting on knees because she's like, but it's cute because she's like, please. Oh, please don't bezel. She passed out. Matt is not like, what the fuck, crashing out. Like, he's just like, well. Can like somebody look at her if she's okay? I want to see more passion, like the mothers before, like crashing. I'm like, oh my god, is she okay? Pusha was awake, looked at Matt, and then she's again passed out. That's it for me today. Thank you for watching and don't pass out.